mechanics and precision involved in an F-22 Raptor missile launch are explored, revealing the critical sequence of events. The strategic significance and devastating power unleashed during such an operation are underscored, offering viewers a comprehensive understanding. What happens in the blink of an eye when an F-22 Raptor unleashes its deadly payload? It's not just a button press, it's a meticulously choreographed dance of advanced technology and strategic intent. Discover the untold story behind the F-22 missile launch, revealing secrets of modern aerial combat you won't find anywhere else. In the skies, every second counts. Imagine the sheer complexity and precision required when an F-22 Raptor fires a missile at Mach 2. This isn't just about blowing something up, it's about the future of warfare. Get ready to witness the high-stakes ballet of technology that defines air superiority. Ever wondered how the F-22 Raptor truly dominates the skies? Prepare for an exclusive deep dive into the engineering marvel of its missile launch system. We're pulling back the curtain on the mechanics and strategic implications that make this fighter jet untouchable. Don't miss this rare glimpse into cutting-edge aerial combat. Welcome back to Skyjet Wings, your ultimate flight path into the unseen world of modern aviation. Today, we're not just flying high, we're diving deep. Into the shadows. Into the secrets. Into the unmatched legacy of the F-22 Raptor. Buckle up. Because what happens in the blink of an eye could decide the fate of a nation. We all admire the F-22 for its sleek shape and stealth. But have you ever asked, what really happens in that precise moment when a missile is launched? It's not just a trigger pull. It's an orchestra of precision, technology, and instinct, working in perfect harmony. Today, you're not just watching. You're stepping inside the cockpit. Imagine yourself flying 60,000 feet above hostile skies. Every heartbeat echoes louder than the engines. Your enemy is invisible, but your Raptor sees what others can't. Now, it's your move. Do you fire? Or do you wait? The F-22 Raptor isn't just a fighter, it's a ghost. Radar can't see it. Enemies can't touch it. And yet, in 5 seconds, it can reshape an entire battlefield. But how? Today, we're peeling back the stealth veil, revealing the unseen symphony of missile deployment from America's deadliest bird of prey. Before a missile ever leaves the jet, the Raptor scans the battle space using advanced sensor fusion, combining radar, infrared, and signals intelligence to paint an invisible picture. Lock-on isn't a moment. It's a process. Multiple AI-driven subsystems calculate, validate, and decide if the target is real or a trap. To me, the real marvel isn't just in the hardware, it's in the pilot's mind. At Mach 2, split-second judgment decides everything. In a dance of death, the pilot aligns data, instinct, and decades of training to hit the go button. And if there's even a 0.01% chance of friendly fire, that shot never happens. Unlike traditional jets with external hardpoints, the F-22 uses internal bays. Why? One reason: stealth. The moment those doors open, the clock is ticking. In just 1.5 seconds, the bay doors must open, eject the missile using a cold launch system, and close again. Think about it, it's like tossing a spear from a closed fist, silently. The missile leaves the bay, but the story doesn't end there. The F-22 can guide it mid-flight using secure, encrypted data links, adjusting the missile's course in real time. And as the missile races toward its target, the Raptor executes a post-launch maneuver, banking hard, deploying flares, and cloaking itself again in the fog of war. Even after impact, the F-22 keeps listening. Through data links and sensors, it assesses target destruction, checks for retaliation, and re-enters combat or stealth mode, all within seconds. This isn't just a launch. It's a digital ballet of war. Why does this matter? Because the F-22's missile system isn't just about killing targets. It's about deterrence. About making enemies think twice. Every successful launch cements air dominance. It's a silent message to adversaries: we see you. You can't see us. And we're always ready. This level of technological mastery puts the F-22 in a league of its own, even decades after its first flight. And with ongoing upgrades and AI integration, it's not just a relic. It's the blueprint for the future of air warfare. The F-22 Raptor isn't just equipped, it's engineered to redefine air dominance. When a missile is injected into the Raptor, it becomes part of a living war machine, a seamless fusion of stealth, speed, and precision lethality. Why does it matter? Because in modern warfare, the first strike is psychological. Each missile locked and launched isn't just a threat, it's a statement. We detect before you decide. We strike before you respond. This isn't just about targets. It's about control. It's about making adversaries hesitate, second-guess, and retreat. Even decades since its first flight, the F-22 is no aging legend. It's a platform in evolution, now supercharged with AI, data fusion, and next-gen upgrades. Where other jets age out, the Raptor levels up. So next time you see a 5-second clip of an F-22, remember, those 5 seconds hold more power, intelligence, and engineering than most people will ever know. If this deep dive blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly aviation revelations, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a launch into the unknown. Share this with fellow jet lovers, and join the Skyjet Wings squad in rewriting the flight manual. This is Skyjet Wings, taking you higher, deeper, and beyond the radar. Until next time, stay stealthy.